So the development behind me is going to be Haddington and Côta Vera here in Otay Ranch, which is just outside of Chula Vista. It's going to be a gated 55 and over community and a really nice master plan community. We're supposed to be pre-selling homes here starting September 2023. But as you can see, they're just preparing the lots right now, so that might be a little premature, but keep your eye on this community. It could be a beautiful one. According to the builder, Cal West, Haddington at Côta Vera will consist of 127 homes in both attached and detached configurations, with square footages ranging from 1453 up to 2226 in size, all behind a gated entry with its own clubhouse and amenities. Here at DreamWell Homes, we specialize in 55 and over and single-story home sales. Connect with us by following our YouTube channel or by reaching out by phone or text at 760-798-9024 or by email at jeanken@dreamwellhomes.com. We look forward to hearing from you.